Right, chapter 2, number 12. We have the points -2, 5, and the point 2, 1. We want to make this into an exponential function that represents these 2 points. So we'll start off with we'll represent it by a constant times a base to the x power. And we'll use the -2 as the x component here, which will be ab to the -2 power, and the 5 for the y for the output. Okay, from here, I'm going to solve for a. And the way that I'm going to do this is that this negative here means that I can actually take the reciprocal of b. So this will be 5 equals a to the 1 over b to the second power. Now, 1 over b to the second power actually simplifies to 1 over b squared. 1 over b squared times the a gives me 5 equals a over b squared. This should be a 5 here. Okay, now I'll multiply both sides by b squared, and I'll rewrite this as 5 times b squared, and that's my a. Then let's go back up here to y equals a b to the x again, and this time I'm going to use my 2 for x and my 1 for y. So 1 equals b to the x, b to the second power. Now the a, I'm going to use this a that we just found here, which is 5b to the second power. So when you combine these, you'll get 5b to the fourth power. We'll divide both sides by 5, and we get 1/5 equals b to the fourth. Now I'm going to take a root of this, a fourth root, and a fourth root of the 1/5. Now, the fourth root, let's turn on my calculator here and clear that out. And I'm going to type a 4 first, that's for the root, and then go to math button. You see this right here, number 5? That's a x root. That means that 4 now will be the root. And I'll type in now, parentheses, 1 divided by 5, close parenthesis, and that'll give me the fourth root of 1/5. I got 4 decimals here, so 0.6687, and that's my b. That's my base. Okay, now from here we can find a, because a is set equal to 5 times the base, which is 0.6687, and that's squared. So we're going to take the point, let's see if we can raise that a little bit, 0.6687. We want to square that, so raise it to the second power, and then we're going to multiply all that answer by 5, and that'll give us a. That'll be 2.235. Instead of that 7, we're going to write an 8. That's the 4. So that's our 8. So we can rewrite these exponentials now as y equals the a, which is 2.2358, and the b is going to be parentheses 0.6687, all raised to the x power.